Hello, welcome to another video tutorial. This is a video courtesy of BECTECH Consulting, and it is for you, the guys at the AMEF ICT department in charge of, that department. So from our previous video, we saw certain things, what WordPress is. We saw that WordPress is a tool used, in managing content, and it's as well as a tool that we use in building the AMEF website. We equally browse through the AMEF website, and we're going to continue in today's video. We're going to continue real quick, and we're going to look at a couple of things. We already have our training website built, and we started looking at that in the previous video. So let's dive right into it, without wasting any time. Again, I'm going to bring up my browser. We saw our browser, how to navigate to a browser on our desktop. And in my case, I am using Google Chrome. So I'm going to bring up my browser right here and put in the URL or the link for our training site and log into the back end of the site. And you should have this already. I already have it. So that's it. I'm just going to click. It's been highlighted on my browser. So just hit enter. You should have this link by now, training.bectechconsulting.com, and that is the website actually. So this is the current BECTECH training site. So we're going to navigate to the back end of this our training website. Okay. So to do that, we have this URL or link, and I'm going to put a slash. Okay, yeah, it is. So this is the back end of our BECTECH training website for you guys at AMEF. And like we did before, like we saw in the previous video, we're going to put in our username and login to navigate to the back end. Our login information already. That's a username and the password. I'm going to put the password right here. Login. Click on the login button to log in. So this is our dashboard. We saw this already, and we're just going to learn a couple of things in this video. First, since we are learning how to build a website using WordPress, and we already have a website uploaded, I am going to begin by showing you by navigating to the current theme. So now keep in mind, the AMEF website has been built already. It has, information in it. Your goal will be to just manage the existing website, with a lot of content in it. The theme, it's already there. Stuff have been customized. So to do that, but now, so we want to learn how to manage that. We saw almost, or if not all, but all of these features on this left hand side of our dashboard. Now real quick, let me bring up the website, that current training website for us to see. So to do that, what I did was I just hover the mouse on this link right here, and it brought the visit, and I right click and then take the first option, left click, that says open link in the new tab, and it gave me this is the website. This is our training website right here. So I'm going to show us how to change this information. Okay, we will look at this menu. We will look at editing this content, the pictures and the text information. Okay, so back on our dashboard, I will navigate to appearance and navigate to menu. So now we're going to work on our menu. First, begin by working on our menu. This is our menu right here. This is what we call the menu. Remember, I said there's links of, that link to the different pages, that have been created already. And we say website are built out of pages. Okay. So gallery on itself is a page, portfolio is a page, and to put that together, this is the menu. Now, so coming to our current menu. So looking at our current menu, just like we have it at the front end of the website, home, about, service, blog, and the rest. So in that order is it also, laid out from the top going down. Okay. Let's say, for example, and every page that has been created also shows up on this left corner. And what we do is select the page and say add to menu. It's going to show up on this right corner. And menus, so the current menu is what we call the primary menu. Name the menu, okay, because we could use it in different sections of our website, right? Customizing or rebuilding it. So we have the current menu called the primary menu. We name it and we save that right here. So let's say, for example, I want to change this portfolio, the word portfolio, to let's say donate. Since we have donate on the AMEV website, I'm just going to come to where it says portfolio right here. I click on this arrow, and you see where it says navigation label. I could change that, highlight that, delete that out. I change that to the type of my keyboard to donate. Okay, and it's been saved already. So that has been updated to donate. Let's say I want to change this FAQ, or frequently asked questions, to something else like let's say I want to call it job. Since there is a page on the AMEV also called job, I just change that to job and I write it there. So that has been done. All I do is click save, and that change has been made. Okay. Now, if I wanted to check, I come back here, but right now it doesn't show. Why? Because I need to update the page. I need to refresh the page for that change to show. So I could come on my browser with this reload page. Yours might show differently. So I just click right here, and you see it has changed to donate and job. How you see how things happen right at the spot. That's the beauty about WordPress. Okay. Now, but then this is at the level of the menu. Okay. Before, this wasn't called donate. It was called portfolio. That's the name of that page. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So if I click on this donate button right here, it shows me portfolio right here. So that tells us that it shows a portfolio. But then if I go to pages, I click on all pages, I go to pages. Here the page is called portfolio. So when the page was created, it was called portfolio, and then in menu it was added to the menu as portfolio. But we can decide to maintain this caption called portfolio, then go to the menu like I just did before now and change the name to donate for it to appear here. So I can have a menu title differently from what the page title is. Likewise, I can have the same. I can have it donate, and I come to the page where it says portfolio. I click on it so that I can as well change that to donate. It is best to change it to the same name which it is on the navigation section, this menu section. so that when somebody clicks on it, you know, where the person knows, okay, this I'm on the donate page, you know. So this is what it is right here. Okay, so our page is called portfolio. So when I click my mouse on it, I can change that word portfolio to donate. Okay, I just highlighted and a backspace on my keyboard to erase the word portfolio, and then I type in donate. And after I've done that change, I come to where it says update, the blue button right here at the top, and I click on update, and that information has been updated for the page. Now this is the page. The content you see, this is the content of this page. It's the same content you see right here, right? True. So that tells you if you want to change the content, update the content of this page, I just need to open the page right here, as you see, and I start, you know, editing the content. I can just edit right here, take this out, put the word I want to put, you know, and all of that. Now the content can be, oh, let's go right away to do it anyway. Later on there is a feature I'm going to install that I use in the AMEV website, you know, for content management. Okay, content management, I'll probably make a separate video for that, but nonetheless, let's proceed. So I have updated this page by changing the word donate, and if I refresh my page again, the word portfolio changes to donate. That's what it is right now. It is donate. So if somebody clicks on donate, it brings and it shows donate. That means they are the right page. Okay. All right. Good. So we're learning as we proceed. Now there are other features on the right hand side of the page, you know, where you can change the font size. You can change the color, background color, you know, of a certain section. This was highlighted, so that section I just changed the color, you know, to that. And if I click on advanced, so this additional CSS class, this CSS is some coding language using, you know, adding color and aesthetics to web pages. I'm not going to go into that. That's a little out of our focus, you know. But anyway, so these are just basic editing, you know, for a page or sections of a page, like we see right now. So if I click update again, oh, there is also called the preview. So any change I make on this page, if I click on the preview button, the preview button is to see what changes you've done so far, you know, and you see that change right there. This text with the sky blue background. Okay, now so let's say I want to take out all of this content, you know, that came with this theme, and then put in my own information for my website that I'm building. So I'll just begin by deleting everything. So I just came to 3 arrows, I said remove block. That was deleted. I could as well remove this also. I click on the 3 dots, remove block, that was deleted as well. So I can start typing information right there. If I want to take this out, deal with this, move it, you know, remove block. So this is how we remove unwanted information, and I can start putting my own information into that page. I mean, there's a lot more at the bottom, but this is just a practice purpose. So let's see, I can say this is the test of text into our web page, full stop. Okay, so we've just added text. That's a paragraph we just added. I can move it down, and I can call this let's say header. So I can call the next one a header. I can make it bold. You see, I can change the font. The font is the kind of handwriting, so to speak, is on default. I can change the font to, let's say, this. See how different it looks now. You know, I can change the weight, the transformation, the size of it, make it bigger or smaller, line, letter spacing, all of this. So you can always try all of that. So I make, you know, and after you've done with the changes, you know, you always, to enable those changes show at the front end of the page, you must always click on the update button. Okay, so I click on the update. If I go back to my preview, I don't need to click on it. See, automatically it has done the change for me. You see, header, this is text, of text into a web page, and that changed, you know, it's applied immediately. So that's why we use website, because, you know, what we do, you know, goes into effect right away. So that's typically, you know, content editing, you know, on a WordPress web page. We're going to go into a more advanced content editing when I, you know, anyway. So let's proceed. So that's that for menu. Say for example, I want to delete the word blog. So I go back to a menu under appearance and menu, and I come to where it says blog. Click on the drop down on the arrow, and I see where it says remove. Click on remove, and that is taken care of. And remember, you must save your changes. So click on the blue button that says save menu, and that change is taken into effect. Okay, so that's it for that. Play around with it. Don't be scared to come back to this training site, delete stuff, write stuff, feel free. Okay, now let's create a page on our own. Okay, let's create a page today. Say for example, you have to create a new page for one of the departments, you know, in AMEF. Say a new department was created, and we have to create a page and start uploading information. Let's say a department called voluntary services. So to that, come to pages or pages. I could actually just go to add new, but we'll see all our pages. So to create a new page, I click on add new right there. And so this is going to be a blank new page. Okay, we must give the page a title. Let's say we call our page since it's for the new department coming into AMEF, called voluntary. The voluntary department, I'm going to call it voluntary. I just call it voluntary. Okay, and that has been created. I'm going to put some quick text. Let's say this department is in charge of all those willing to offer voluntary services as workers under the non-governmental organization called AMEF. Okay, so I've created my text. I've given it a title. Let's say we want to add, so I'm going to save that and do publish. Okay, I click on publish. It's going to go public right away. Click on publish. So now that page exists. Okay, our page is now live, but it's nobody can see it yet if somebody comes to the front end, because it has not been added anywhere for on our website. There's no link has been created anywhere for somebody to see it, right? Good. So we have to do that. But before we go to doing that, let's say we want to add a picture onto our page. Okay. We want to add a picture. I'll just come to the bottom. My mouse is still blinking, my cursor. I just come to the bottom. I want to add a picture right there. Right where you see this, I want to add a picture to the page. Okay. So I come to my media. Oh, you see, it shows this little buttons where ways of adding pictures. Keep in mind, everything I'm teaching you in this video is the basics. Okay, it's indeed the basics. You need to have this understanding of how this platform works before you have access to the real current existing AMEV website. Now, this might look a little difficult, but the AMEV website, the way content is being put into and organized, I use something a little different, which we're going to install in subsequent videos for this training site. So this icons here are to add image. I just put the mouse on it without clicking. It tells me what it is for. Add image, add heading, add a gallery. So I'm going to add an image right there. So I click on add image, and it tells me I can either upload an image instead from a URL is a link, uniform resource locator, that's what it means, and media library. I can also add image from media library, the media library right here. Okay, so if I click on media library, and let's say I have a picture in my computer I want to add. Okay, let's say I want to add this BegTech logo. Okay, so when it says drop files anywhere to upload, which means I can come to a folder in my computer and then select this picture, click, hold it, drag it, and bring it to this area. When it turns blue, I let go, and it's automatically uploaded in the media library. Now, when it's uploaded in the media library, it is selected. You see it's highlighted blue because that's the picture I want to bring into that particular page on my website. I click on select, and that's the picture. It's been uploaded already. I can give it a caption at the bottom of the picture. I can say company departmental photo. Okay, I can make it bold, highlight it to make it bold. I can click on this to put in italic form. Okay, if I don't want it, the next one means if I want to assign a link, make it such that when somebody puts a mouse on top of this word, you can click on it and it takes you to somewhere. So this means you're giving it a link. Okay, we don't have any link for that. We will see links in subsequent videos. So that's our picture. It's been uploaded on this page. Now it's all white space, you know, because the picture itself, it's a logo, but it has a white background. All right. So we'll see how to add a picture to our web page. Now, after doing all of this, I just click on update. Alright, so we've updated the page with all this information. Now, let's preview it and see. So click on preview, and it opens the page called voluntary. See, our page has been created called voluntary. That's the text I added. Yes, our picture, you see, with the title I gave it for that page. Ain't that beautiful? So this is our web page. We built our first web page. Now let's say I want to add this page to this menu bar right up here. Okay, so that each time somebody comes to our learning website, we can always see the word voluntary. Or I want to change, anyway, I'm going to add it. To do that, I go back to appearance, bring my mouse to menu, click on menu, and the word voluntary, or the page called voluntary, is already added. So if I scroll down, I don't see it, so let's view all. Click on view all. It's beginning to scroll down, and there it is. So to add it to our menu, I click on the box that's next to it, and click on the button that says add to menu, and it's added at the bottom of the rest of the menus. Now this is too much information for one menu. Okay, anyway, that's me added to our menu. I save the menu, save to update, and if I come back to, if I refresh this page, there you see voluntary has been added to our menu tab, to our menu option up there. So that's the page right now, so users can click on it to navigate to the menu page. Let's say we want to create a drop down menu. So all of this is too much. Let's say, for example, I want to put the word service under about us. How about that? Yeah. Remember, with the AMEV website, we have a drop down. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So we have AMEV Foundation. Oh, let me open the AMEV website. So this is the AMEV website right now, and when I hover my mouse on the program, it has this drop down menu, you see, with the different programs or departments under it. So we want to create something like this, where there is a drop down menu like this for our training website. So that we want to put the word service under about us, and I'm going to add gallery too under that. So I come to our menu, so we want to put service under about us. So with my mouse on the service menu bar, the 4 arrows showing, I click, press the mouse on, and I move it a little like this. So that's what a sub item on the about us. I bring gallery, I click and hold my mouse, drag it all the way to the top, and then bring it. I can even make gallery go sub item under the sub item under, about us. But I don't want that. I want it all to be direct. I'm going to move it a little further and drop it right there. And so those two will be drop down menus on the about us, and I click on save menu again, and that has been saved. So if I come back to our web page, I can click on home page and I hover my mouse right there. You see, now service and gallery are now drop down menus. You see, ain't that beautiful? See how automatically WordPress works to create a drop down menus. Important, is always good to save every change you do. Okay, so that's that. Let's see, what else can we do. Okay, so another thing we could do right now for our training page, look at manage locations. What this does is, we have our primary menu, which we created already, social menu, footer menu. This means we can create a new set of menu, and there are some websites where there is a menu at the bottom of the website, at the footer. Okay, see, like with our main website, we have this menu down there, the same menu up, we have it right here. Okay, so this is what we call the footer menu. Alright, so footer menu is created by taking the already existing pages or selecting the few that you want to be at the footer or all of them, and you create a new menu with those called footer menu. Okay, and then so I will come, let's do it anyway. So I come back to menus. I want to create a new menu, right? Let's say I want to create a new menu. See where it says create a new menu right here. I'm going to click on create a new menu. I'm going to name the menu. I'm going to call it footer menu. Oh yeah, footer menu. Let's call it footer. Anyway, footer menu. This is give your menu a name, then click create menu. So give it a name, footer menu, and click create menu. So that has been created. Now we need to add the pages that make up the menu into it, right? So I come to where my pages are. Now most recent, I click on view all to see all the pages that are in my WordPress site. So I will select home, just a few, donate, voluntary, what is about us, restore home, and that's it. Service, and I click on add to menu, and all of that has been added, and I can move them in any order I want. To move with it, when I bring the mouse, it is highlighted. I keep pressing the mouse, and I move it to the top, drag it all the way to the top. So I have home first, about us, service. Now if I let go, it has made a sub menu. I don't want it, so I drag it all the way to the left to make it at the same level. Donate and volunteer. So that's just this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages is going to make up my footer menu. And where do I want it to be? Footer, right? So I come down here where it says display location. I select the box that says footer menu, and I save all of this. So we've created a footer menu alongside a primary menu that's already existing. Okay. Now let's see all of this that has been done. So if I go to my front end of this page, and we'll see that change. So I bring my mouse over to where it says tech training. That's it. Right click. Let's click on this now, and then because what I'm doing is I'm trying to open in a new tab. These are tabs. Okay, browser tabs. I don't want to go away from this page. So I come now to see the changes I have done on our training page. Move my page all the way to the bottom, and for this theme, the menus are displayed at the right corner. So that is called footer. That's a footer menu. Home, battle, selected, and voluntary. Okay. Now another thing we need to look at real quick is the customize section. I'm going to click on customize. A customized section enables us, do changes on our page and we see it live. So it's like I'm working and I'm seeing on this right side what I am doing. Okay. For example, how I got this Vectech training. I see this blue or white circle. That means edit. Click to edit this element. That's an element. If I click on it, I can come here and change the name from Vectech training. Okay. Let's say I'll just call it MEV training. Okay. See right there as I type, it changes on the spot. MEV training, learning WordPress. Okay. This is display site title and tagline. That's why we can see it. If I uncheck the box, we don't see it anymore. Check the box, it shows up. Okay. Footer copyright text, all of this copyright 2019. It's at the footer of the page. So if you scroll down to the bottom, you see all of this right here. That's it, showing right there. Footer 2019 Vectech 20. Display theme author credit. If I check the box, that thing on that side is gone. So some themes may, portray differently, but all in all, it's good to know this. It's good to know this. So side icon, we're going to look at what is side icon. The side icon is a little picture at the top. For example, on our AMEV website, see it right here, see the logo right here. Most websites have their logo showing at the top right here. That's the side icon, so we'll call it side icon. So I did that by adding the logo up there. So if I want to add a side icon to this our training site, I will just come here, but keep in mind side icon pictures must follow this size, the 512 by 512 pixels. Okay, but you're not going to add a side icon. If I was going to do it, I would select, make sure I have the picture ready with that in that size. I'm going to have it uploaded in our media library section, and then click on select side icon, come to the media library and select whatever photo or picture I want to use as a side icon, or I come here, upload it directly from my computer and upload the picture. Okay, so after we're done doing changes, you must click on publish for it to take effect. Okay, and then I go back. Now that's for site identity, which we were looking at. I go back again. Oh, we can also add the logo. See right here it says logo. Logo, if we have our logo ready, a picture of the logo already uploaded in the library, it could be added right here. I'm still gonna use this Vectech logo, so I select that one, I click on that, and this is gonna be our logo. Okay, so this is cropping. I'm cropping the logo right now. Okay, crop image, and you see the logo showed up at the top. Isn't that beautiful? So the logo has been added to our, after we add a logo, and I'll click on publish. Okay, so when you come, I'm gonna leave this logo right here, and I'll request that whoever comes next, after watching this video while you're learning, you access this back end, take out this logo. Okay, if you take out this logo, then I know that you guys are watching the video and practicing. So take out this logo. If you know how to take out the logo, it's written right here, remove or change logo, or if you have a different logo, put the different logo, upload a different, actually take out this logo and upload a different logo. Upload the AMEV logo right here. You can get the AMEV logo from the AMEV website and upload it. Can you? I don't see it anywhere. Yeah, but anyway, upload any photo or any logo you have. And if you have the AMEV logo, upload it. So take out this logo. That's your little exercise. So that's how we upload logos and keep customizing. So the next one is a layout. Don't worry about this. This is displaying the site. Fixed or fluid. Fluid means it can be changing on different screens. Fixed means the layout, the display of the entire web page or website will be fixed, no matter what screen size that you use to access the website. Colors is where we could change many colors on the site. Color scheme, palette, header. We could change the color of the header. The menu color can be changed. For example, this is this color. This is it right here. If I just click, it shows me the color gallery where I can change the color. I'm going to change the color a little bit. If I don't like what it is right now, I can bring it down. See as it changes in the spot. As it changes, brings it down. The color right here is changing. Okay, it changes. You see, it keeps changing. right there. If I take it this way, see the color changes. I just click on it, the color is changing at this level. If you want it red, the color changes red. Green, it changes to green. I want it lighter or thick green, it changes on the spot. Blue, the color changes. I'm gonna leave it at this red, whatever that color is, and I suggest you guys change the color. Make sure you come and change the color. Alright, but as for the menu background color, I can decide to leave the text white, but I'll suggest somebody comes in and changes text color to something else. But keep in mind, colors must stand out, must be visible enough or readable enough. So after doing my change, I click on publish and I go back. Color scheme, this is optional, so we won't go into it. The bottom buttons, so this color, you see, this is a color right here for buttons within the pages of the website, so they can be changed. Again, it's the same steps, so somebody can play around with that. See this button, call to action button. The text is white. The word call to action is white. This is how I was put the white text color. The background, it's that is it orange or so, I guess. That's it right there. So someone can go and change the color. We saw already I did that. Content color, same procedures. The beauty about the thing is, the titles help you, and the little information help you to know what this does or what it is, and you can always try it out and see the effect happen right there on the screen. Okay, that's that for color. Same thing with fonts. You can change the fonts. Fonts is the kind of the calligraphic text presentation of the words. I'm going to end here for now because I don't want the videos to be too long. Okay, but again, come back, play around with this, do the changes you see me do in this video. Okay, keep just trying stuff, because that's how you know when you try them out yourself. Alright, and thanks for watching. Again, this is for you guys of the ICT department of AMEF, and this video is prepared by myself, on behalf of BegTech Consulting. So watch out for more videos as they will be uploaded soon. I'm going to create a page, a section where those videos will be uploaded to grant you guys access. You can always go to that page and watch the videos over and over again. So in the AMEF website, not on the AMEF website, in my company website, I'm going to create a training page, and the links to all these videos, subsequent videos that I will create, will be uploaded there, and I'll grant you access where you can always access the videos, learn at your spare time or at your own pace. So thanks for watching. Look out for more videos. If you don't understand anything, let me know. You can address it. And yeah, have a blessed day or evening. Ciao.